It's going down now. Q276-28 eastbound 22.
I see a CSX unit and another CSX unit.
Q276-28 eastbound 22. Very soon.
Yep.
I know that's terrible.
Nothing to see there.
Well, 276 and 216 always have. Normally they always CSX power, but sometimes.
Sometimes it's something special, but
yeah.
not usually.
Yeah, it'd be nice though, but who knows? You never know.
One can always dream.
Ooh, excuse me. Yeah, I'm bucking one like crazy. Oh, damn. Uh-oh, there it goes again, the bouncy bounce.
Uh-oh.
Oh, man, that was a tip. You can hear the squeaking from the trucks. Yep. Knuckles.
Yep.
Doing this.
Yep. Yes, they are.
Big time. And the trucks and the wheels going like this, like they're going ying ying.
Yeah.
That's me, like sooner or later, one of these cars go oopsie.
Yeah, sooner or later there's gonna be a derailment here.
Yeah. Question is when? That's the question.
Let's just hope it doesn't happen anytime soon.
Yeah. Right now. Now I'm here. Bow wow, take a bow bow wow. CSX 28 Loaded Autorack.
Yeah.
CSX 28 eastbound.
This is a big one.
Yeah.
Then again, Duffield isn't very far. It's only about a mile away.
Yeah. Boop, boop, boop. Bunny boop. He's on the back end.
I see it.
Oh, yep. That was really bad myself.
Yeah, those tracks are pretty screwed up.
Yep. That idiot's in my way. We're gonna do the shots.
Wow.